Hey guys, it's Riley. So today I'm going to be doing a review and also a makeup tutorial. And I figured with this being Pride Month, I thought it would be a good idea to do a Pride look. So not only am I going to be reviewing this makeup palette, I'm going to do the Pansexual flag look. Now I did this look last year, which will be in the description below if you guys want to go check that out and everything like that. So yeah. So I bought this palette. This is the ColorStory Bright Blooms palette, and it is amazing. I love it. I bought this at my local Target store. I've actually used ColorStory before. And everything like that, and I thought I would go ahead and, give them a try again, use them again. And of course, once I saw this palette, looked at the colors and everything, I'm like, I have to get this. This is perfect for Pride. So that's what I got it. So this is the Bright Blooms palette. And let me just turn this around so see properly. All right, so as you can see here, wow, gorgeous. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of different color flowers. We have roses, and some other flowers. I don't even know what kind of flowers these are, but you can see they are so pretty. I wish I can show it to you in a flash, but natural lighting would do, I guess. But you guys, this palette's really pretty. I definitely like how they used all of the colors in it, and of course how they worded or the lettering of this palette, which is Bright Blooms. And whoa, you guys, how beautiful are these shades? Now I will do some swatches later on, but you guys, these are so pretty. Look at that. And of course you can see all of the flowers right here, and of course the mirror, and you can see all the little flowers going around the mirror. That's pretty as well. What I like about this palette, and all of ColorStory's palettes, is that it has a magnetic hold. So it can easily close, and of course on the back, it kind of shows you all of the shades. Gives a descriptive detail on what you can do and everything. So yeah, all in all, I love this palette. Like I said, the colors are so amazing. I love them so much. And this is actually the palette that we are going to be creating the Pansexual Pride flag today, and everything like that. So I am going to do swatches. Probably towards the end of this video, I'll actually include a picture somewhere towards the end of this video and everything like that. But in the future, I definitely will show on camera, the swatches and everything like that. So, but for now, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first off, I am going to be taking this Illuminating Primer by Rare Beauty, and I'm gonna do one pump of that on my hand, and with my clean fingers I'm just going to smudge that all over my face. Make sure you got it all over. Now taking foundation, I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty. I think this is liquid, weightless liquid foundation, I guess. This is in the shade 210N. Now I believe they discontinued this shade. because I went to my local Sephora store and they did not have it. So I'm guessing that this shade is no longer available. So yeah, and I'm also going to be taking a foundation brush and just kind of, you see, a little bit goes a long way. Which it does. Now with the eyes you can use primer, but with me I use foundation or concealer. So I'm going to take the foundation again and just kind of scrape a little bit of that off on the bottle. And just put a little bit on my eyes. Again, you can use, and taking the foundation brush, I'm just kind of going to swipe it a little bit. All right, now we're gonna be taking a little eyeshadow brush just like this. Actually, no, we're not. My bad. We're gonna be taking a crease brush. And okay, no, we're not. Okay. No, we're not. Okay. We're gonna be taking a small brush like this, like an artist brush. And we are going to be taking the shade the first shade is going to be like a pinkish shade. So we're going to be taking the shade we're going to be taking the shade Petals. And we're going to place that on the inner corner of our lid. It made it easier if you just make a line. If it's easier for you, you can make a line of where it can go. The reason why we are using a small brush like this is, of course, if you're going to create, pride flags and everything like that, this brush will be better to use. Next, we're going to be taking a yellow color. This one is in Buttercup. And we're going to be placing that in the middle. Next, we're going to be taking a blue color. We're going to be taking a blue color, and this is in the shade Dewy. And we're going to place that on our outer corner. Now, of course, to blend it out, we're actually going to be taking a brush, a crease brush like this, and just kind of blend at the top just a little bit, not too much. This is just to get rid of all of the harsh lines. Now, of course, if you want to, you can do your bottom lash line if you want to. So that's what I'm going to be doing real quick. And again, you want to blend that out with the crease brush, just a little bit. Blend away any harsh lines. You can probably barely see it. Oh, you can see it now. Okay. So as you can see, it definitely looks like the pride flag, the pansexual pride flag a little bit. If you have to, you can blend the harsh edges a little bit more. Okay. All right, and then we're going to be taking the liquid luminizer from Rare Beauty in the shade Enlightened, and we're going to be placing that on our, I guess, upper cheekbones. So we're going to be placing 2 dots. And then we're going to be taking a fluffy brush and then just kind of fluff that out just a little bit. Put a little bit on the nose if you want. And we are going, the next thing we're going to be taking is eyeliner. I'm using the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner. Last thing we're going to be taking is lip stuff, I guess. Ugh, I can't even talk tonight. This is from Rare Beauty, and this is in the shade Daring. So it's like a pastel purple color. This is the liquid lip souffle, I believe. I like to experiment with different shades. Kind of like to get creative with different shades. And then to top it all off, I'm going to be taking Rare Beauty's Always an Optimist 4-in-1 primer little setting spray. And this is the completed look. Ignore that little smudge of eyeliner on my nose. So this is the completed look. It's a little bit messed up with the eyeliner, but this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you want me to create any more pride flag looks. Whoops. Pride flag looks, and what in the... Let me know if you want to create any more of... If you want me to create any more of these pride flag looks. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Let me know if you want me to create any more of these pride flag looks. I think I did a pretty good job, to be honest, and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything like that, and I hope you guys are also having an amazing Pride Month too. So, and hope you guys are having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you guys soon. Happy Pride Month!